Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to home page. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right, then select settings. In the account info section, you'll notice that there are no options to add a phone number. Roblox no longer requires a phone number and you just need an email address or age verification. If you need to fix this or have an issue, you can seek help by tapping on the settings at the top right again and selecting Help and Safety. Here, tap on Help Center. This will take you to Roblox Support. Scroll down and tap on Roblox account, then select I need help with my account. You'll be directed to a page where you need to find and tap on Keep your account safe. On this page, scroll down to the bottom and tap Contact Support. Here you'll need to fill out the fields with your username, first name, email address, confirm your email address, and issue details. Describe the problem you're experiencing with the missing add phone number option in Roblox. So that's basically how you can fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.